Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making honey barbecue chicken wings. First thing we're going to do is put 2 pounds of chicken into a pan. To season it, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Up next, we got 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Next, we got 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper. Next up, we're going to have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step is to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. What we're going to add olive oil for is when we mix together the wings. We want to be able to get all the seasonings together and it can be evenly coated so it could taste just as better as any restaurant's type of wings. Alright guys, so now we're going to transfer the chicken wings to another pan so we're going to put it in the oven. Before we put it in the oven, we're going to add another coat of olive oil. 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Now for our sauce, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter to a pan. Once the butter has fully dissolved in the pan, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey. And now we're going to add 1 cup of honey barbecue sauce. And now we're just going to mix it all up. Wow, look at the color of that, man. It's so incredible. Okay, so now that the wings are done baking, we're going to add our honey barbecue sauce all over them and mix it together nice and well. Me personally, I don't want to get my hands messy, so I use this little stick to get all the barbecue sauce around. After a while, this is what your wings should look like. Once you're done mixing, we're going to go bake again at 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes or until how long you desire for your level of crispiness. Go, ladies and gentlemen, this is honey barbecue wings at home. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share this recipe to your friends and family. See if they can make this at home too. Peace.